Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to stop hearing yourself on mic Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a control panel and go to your Windows control panel. Go to your sound settings. Go to your recordings and select a mic which is used. Go to your properties. Go to your listen and uncheck the listen to this device. So in my case is already unchecked. So uncheck it, click on OK and close it. After doing this state, stop hearing yourself on mic in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.